Hello everyone. Again, there is a question in your mind. Who is with you? I would like to let you know who is with me. She is very simple girl, but her English language is not simple. She speaks confidently. She speaks good English. Although she belongs to a middle class family, but she speaks very nicely. She joined us before few days, but has started giving performance very actively and very properly. She is a good learner of English language. Her focus in the class is very nice towards the lectures and towards the trainers. If you don't believe, watch this video till end and complete this program. Do not skip this video. Then you will come to know what kind of speaker she is and how does she speak English. Before saying anything, I would like to know her name and we will ask her name. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Muskan.
Very nice name of you. Muskan is a very nice name. Wonderful name. Now today we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss about a family introduction. अंग्रेजी में किसी भी व्यक्ति को अपना फैमिली इंट्रोडक्शन हम कैसे देते हैं, अपनी फैमिली के बारे में हम कैसे बताएंगे, तो आज मुस्कान हमें बोल करके बताएंगे कि अपनी फैमिली के बारे में हमें किस तरीके से बोल करके बताना होता है इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। तो मुस्कान की जुबानी हम सुनेंगे। मुस्कान हमें बताएंगी कि अपनी फैमिली के बारे में किस तरीके से अंग्रेजी में हम बोलते हैं। मुस्कान, shall we start the session?
Here we go.
Thank you very much for giving me the permission. चलिएगा, तो आप अंग्रेजी में बोल करके लोगों को बताइएगा कि किस तरीके से अपनी फैमिली के बारे में इंग्लिश में हम बोलते हैं। Start please.
First of all, I would like to give you my family introduction and thank you very much to give me a wonderful opportunity and thank you very much to hearing me. And I am very happy because I am standing here and now I am telling you about my family. First of all, I have a nuclear family and there are 7 members in my family. My parents, 2 brothers and 3 sisters including me. First of all, my respected father name is Muhammad Akram. He belongs to Dhampur. He is a barber. He has done 10th class. He likes watching movies and playing football and reading the newspaper. And then about my mother. Her name is Raisa. She belongs to Muradabad. She is a homemaker. She likes watching the movies and reading the books. That's all about her. And then about my elder brother, his name is Muhammad Shahnawaz Ansari. He is a tailor. He belongs to Dhampur. He has done 10th class and then he likes watching the match and reading the books and offering namaz. That's all about him. And then about my second elder brother, his name is Muhammad Shahbaz Ansari. He is a student. He is a computer operator in Nagarpalika. He has done post graduation. He likes watching the reels video and making the videos. That's all about him. And then about my elder sister, her name is Noreen Ansari. She belongs to Dhampur. She is a homemaker. She resides in Mumbai. And then she likes watching the movies and reading the books and offering namaz and visiting the hill station. And then about my elder younger sister, her name is Mehak Ansari. She is a student. She belongs to Dhampur. She resides at Pahari Darwaza in Dhampur. She has done 11th class. She is currently doing 12th class and she likes watching the movies and reading the newspaper. That's all about her. Thank you very much for listening me.
Very nice, Muskan. You have given a wonderful performance. Now you can believe what kind of a speaker she is. Within 10 to 15 days, she has started speaking good English. Now I can assure you, she will be a good speaker of English language in her future. जी हाँ दोस्तों, यदि इसी तरीके से आप लोग भी अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखना चाहते हैं, इसी तरीके के लोगों के माध्यम से, तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना, उसके लिए एक छोटी सी जॉब हमें करनी है। सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर। थैंक यू।